Hi, and welcome to Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 18, Proper Social Media Etiquette. In this module, I'm going to talk to you about how to get noticed on social media and not come across spammy or creepy. First, as always, keep the people on the other end of your communication in mind before you put anything out. When posting to a brand page, we should always think about our ideal customers, our brand voice, the people that are in our audience, and anyone else that includes sponsors or partners that might be looking at our brand and wanting to collaborate. Because let's be honest, image is perception and perception is reality. So by transference, image is people's reality of what you are and who you are on social media. The image you present will make up people's reality in their heads. I know that's a weird premise, but if you can get in the mind of your ideal supporter, who's probably a lot like you, before you make a brand or music and make a post on social media, you'll probably be way better off. You'll also be way ahead of your competition because most of them are just out to showcase their talent. Video's best, audio with a picture can also work. Let's talk about the various social media platforms. Facebook. Facebook is geared towards friends and family. So the algorithm that guides your news feed is prioritizing your friends and family's content that you engage with the most and things that it also thinks you might be interested in engaging with right at that moment. Instagram. On Instagram, people share photos, memes, shorter videos, longer videos with reels. You can caption the content, but the visual content really is the key here, as you can only see about the first 2 to 3 words in a comment as of writing this guide in 2020. On this platform, you want to post visual content, photos, videos, and the like. It's similar to Facebook, and you want to get people to know you through the photos and other content that you post to the platform. Twitter. Twitter is a whole other thing to itself in the social media world. It's more of a microblog and an online forum than it is a social media platform. You can share other people's thoughts or news links and images just like Facebook and Instagram, but there's a huge difference. Because of the limited nature of space to write, you really have to squeeze a lot of info into 140 characters. The share rates on Twitter can be vastly different, similar to TikTok. If you can get a little bit of a following and some momentum, you can gain a lot of traction on Twitter. But it can also work against you in a negative way when people are getting what we so-called canceled. YouTube. YouTube is a social media platform, but it's also the number 2 search engine in the world next to Google. It's all about video. Sometimes you can do montages of still images with some audio, but mostly it's about moving visual content. Just like any other platform, you want to be careful about what you post here. If you want to rant about a band or a political figure, probably best left off of YouTube. In closing, just be aware of what you're posting to social media. It's a double-edged sword that cuts both ways and can get out of hand before you can get a handle on it. Many of these platforms also own your content once you post it, so just be careful about that, but have fun with what you do post. Share parts of your world that people wouldn't typically see how you want to share it. But those are the social media platforms that we use. We're getting into TikTok, maybe a little bit of Snapchat, but for now, those are the main places that we stay, get engagement, and post our content. But that was Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 18, Proper Social Media Etiquette. Next, we're going to get into Certain Media DIY Musician Secret number 19, How to Create Video Content for My Supporters. Stay tuned. We got a special guest coming up next. You've seen him a couple times already. He's my ace for Certain Media. Jelani Buchanan's going to be up next, and how to make video content for my supporters. See you there.